Good day everyone. Today I will explain briefly how a computer works. A computer works through a simple cycles: input, memory, control, allo, and output. First, we give instruction or data using input devices like a keyboard, mouse, or scanner. Next, the data goes to the memory, and from memory it's processed by the CPU, or a central processing unit, which acts as the brain of a computer. Inside the CPU, the control units direct operation. So pag umandon niya sa memory, process sa CPU, na daw siya sa control units to direct operation. Pag human niya sa control units, mobile na sad siya sa memory. Then pag human niya sa memory, ihatag na sad niya balik kang allo or arithmetic logic units. So from arithmetic logic units performs calculation and decision. So pag humana po niya, ibalik po niya ka memory. So while processing, the computers uses RAM or random access memory to temporarily hold data for a quick access. For long-term storage, it saves information on hard drives or solid-state drives. Finally, the result is shown through output such as monitors, printers, and speakers. In short, a computer takes in data, processes it, stores it, and gives results. These cycles make it possible for us to do tasks like studying, gaming, communication, and works. And that's how computer works. Now, let's talk about choosing the right computers for different types of users. For student, a lightweight laptop with a good battery life is ideal for note-taking, research, and online classes. For office works, as desktop or business laptop with reliable performance is best for productivity tools like Word, Excel, and video calls. For gamers, a gaming PC or high performance laptop with a strong graphics card, fast processor, and good cooling system is necessary. Graphics designer and video editors need computers with large RAM, strong CPUs, and dedicated graphics to run creative software smoothly. Meanwhile, casual user who just the browse the internet, check emails, or use social media can choose a budget laptop, Chromebook, or even a tablet. Finally, professional like engineers, programmers, or scientists may need workstation PCs with advanced processor, more memory, and sometimes specialized GPUs. In summaries, the right computers depend on the user's needs, performance requirements, and budget. By choosing the right devices to the right person, computers become more effective tools in our daily lives. Thank you.